Hi! In front of me is VIVO T1 Pro 5 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. You need to begin by installing your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into settings right away. In settings, scroll down to access apps section. Then scroll down again. Click on default apps and pick one of those options. In my case, browser app. Lastly, just click on your downloaded one that you wish to apply. So when I do that and go back, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!